Alright, so before proceeding further, let me just take up a minute and explain you what are the scripting languages that are supported by Godot engine. So basically Godot supports the GD script itself, which is obviously the Godot's default scripting language. Godot also supports C Sharp, but if you want to use C Sharp with Godot, you have to download the .NET version of the build, the engine build. Now Godot also supports C and C++. So if you want to, let's say if you want, you are more comfortable working with C or C++ and you want to use that to build your games, you can obviously use that. Now the Godot version also was supporting visual scripting, but it has been deprecated in Godot 4 and onwards. So basically, if you want to use visual scripting, you have to switch to Godot 3.5 or some later versions, but not in 4 and onwards, because visual scripting has been deprecated. So in the next video, we are going to see how we can create our first GD script, and we'll proceed then further onwards. So see you in the next video.